Hi guys, it's Mr. Christensen here, just trying to learn a new way to teach. Today what we're going to learn is we're going to learn how to use the Pythagorean Theorem. Okay, it is lesson 2.3 in your book. So if you open up your book to page 58, you'll see the light blue box there, and that walks us through the Pythagorean Theorem pretty easily. It's just the a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Okay, so I'm going to flip my camera now and see, to show you guys how we do this. Okay, so sorry, probably making you a little seasick there. All right, what we're looking at with this, I gotta figure out a good angle. Okay, what you'll have is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. This only works in right triangles. Remember, right triangles are ones that have 90-degree angles in them. Okay, a and b are interchangeable. This could be a, this could be b, or it could be vice versa. The important one is c. C is the hypotenuse. What the hypotenuse means is it is the one across from the right angle. That's what's super important on this, is to remember, always set it up as though it's across from the right angle. The easiest one in the world is a 3, 4, 5. Okay, so what we do is we'll say 3 squared plus 4 squared equals 5 squared. When I was talking about the C being the hypotenuse, being across from the right angle, that's one of the characteristics. The second characteristic to always know which one the C is it's the one that is the largest. So if you look here out of 3, 4, 5, 5 being the largest number. Okay, so squaring these, 3 squared is 9, 4 squared is 16, 5 squared is 25. Okay, well, if we look, 9 plus 16 is 25. So 25 equals 25. So we know that's a good example of a right triangle. All right. Now, if I said to you, okay, I have a triangle here, and it goes like this, and it says this is 9 and this is 12, whoops, not squared. What is C? Okay, so we would go 9 squared plus 12 squared equals C squared. Okay, 9 squared is 81. 12 squared is 144, and then we don't know what c squared is. Okay, when we put these two together, we get 225 equals c squared. Now, if we want to get c by itself, we have to do the inverse of what's happening to it. So if it's squared, the opposite of squaring is, I hope you're saying in your head, square root. So we square root both sides. Whatever we do to one, we got to do to the other, right? So the square root of 225 is 15 equals C. So that's what that one would be. Now, sometimes they're going to give you two measurements, and one of them will be the C, such as this. If I gave you this triangle, okay, where if I said this is 14 and this is 12, what's this? Now this could be A or B. I'm going to make it A. All right, so then we're looking at a squared plus 12 equals 14. Sorry, squared on both of those. All right, so then we have a squared plus 144 equals 196. Okay, now by doing our order of operations backwards, please excuse my dear aunt, and going backwards, okay, we're going to undo the additions. We're going to add a negative 144 to both sides. All right, so now I have a squared equals 52, right? Then I square root both sides, okay, and I'm left where a equals approximately 7.2. Now, on your calculator, if you're using the one on your computer, you can go up and you can make it be one that is scientific, and then you can find your square root. If you're using a smartphone, a lot of times, if you turn it to the horizontal, so like the landscape mode, then you can see the scientific there as well. All right. So next one we're going to look at, okay, is I'm going to give you this. Okay, we have the right angle. This is an X, this is a 4, and this is an 8. Okay, so which one are we looking for? A, B, or C? Hopefully you're realizing, because we have across from the right angle, that's why this is our C. This could be A, this could be A, this could be B, this could be B. Remember, A and B are interchangeable. So I'm going to put x squared plus 4 squared equals 8 squared. All right. X squared plus 16 equals 96. I'm going to add a negative 16 to both sides, and I get x squared equals 80. All right. Then I square root both sides, and x equals approximately 6.9. All right. If you have more questions, there's 4 examples. Okay, 2 where you're looking for the C and 2 where you're looking for either A or B. Okay, if you have questions, send me an email, send me a message on Teams. Hopefully we can all get it figured out. Thanks, bye.